guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. Let's see what they sent. I think it's a body wave. It's been a minute I do not install a body wave, so I'm super excited for this. And today we will be doing a glueless install because I heard that the lace is good, so we can definitely not spray it down. So thanks to UNice or UNice in a girl. UNice. Alright, so I have 2 sets of wig caps. That's a lot, so we can reinstall the wig, and a bag to store your wigs in. Make sure you put your wigs in a bag. Okay, you spend the money, it's an investment. Okay, the wig is curl. What? You see? Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey, OMG, the lace is giving. Why? Was I waiting really to install this wig? Y'all see this? Are you taking notes? Now, look at that lace, how natural it looks. I am not gonna install this because it's also a drawstring, so Snoops is gonna be like them gal. Like, you know. But the hair feels super soft. You see those curls? Of course, we have a drawstring. Of course, like they're making it super easy for us now. It is a 5x7, 7x5. You can see me because the lace is good. We have a adjustable band. You can adjust that, and the most important thing, so you don't have to ask what wig size did you get, Chrissy? No. All the wigs come with a drawstring. So this one in particular, which I'll have the link, have a drawstring. All you have to do is put it on your head, pull it down, and you already know how this works. You tuck this under, and it's gonna look like this. You're not gonna see anything because it's gonna be under. It also has a comb, which I really like because I like to stick the comb underneath. Now the lace is given. I think I want to do the side. I don't think this wig need anything. Let's put it to the test. This is what we're gonna do because it's an HD lace. We're gonna put this wig to the test and we're gonna see how it works. Extremely invisible lace, because that's what it's given. Alright, so let's put it to the test. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stick around. It's gonna be a very easy install, but let's get into it because you need this, okay? Curl already, HD lace, just put it on. What more do you need? Like, there's nothing else. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have the cap on. And this is the wig. Let's see first impression. Are you guys seeing the lace? Okay. Remember, we do have the drawstring, so we have to. I love that it is snug. Alright. So let's leave it for this. Then we're gonna pull the drawstring. Then we're gonna get to the program. Cause honey. Alright, let me show you guys for persons who don't know. This is how it works. This is how it is. So you are gonna pull it. Pull the drawstring to your liking. And pull that down so it's secure, and then you're gonna tuck the rest underneath, and it should look something like this. And there we go. Okay. Now the lace. I am not even gonna front. No, I know that it's there because it's not glued down. We are gonna use mousse. I'm not gonna lie. I am not putting anything on this. Let me make sure to put the lace in order first. I'm gonna use some wax stick, and I love this one. It's on my website because it's not oily. Okay, your wigs will last. Perfect. Girls, OMG. I'm gonna go in to make sure the parting is secure. But ladies, oh my gosh. So far, so good. I don't even need to pluck the wig. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I want to make sure my parting is straight. So I'm going to use a comb and fix that. because right now it seems like this part needs to come down like so. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I am going to mousse this down and make sure it's down. So we're gonna pin up the hair before we start, because I think I'm gonna go in and recurl the wig. But because we're doing a glueless installation, I wanna mousse this part down. Alright, we are gonna take these out. It's been a minute, you know. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, this is completely glueless, y'all. Are you kidding me? Wow. UNice hair, you did this. Alright, let's take them out. Be gentle when you're taking them out. As you guys see, I recurled the hair to my liking, but it's a ready go wig. Like, you just put it on for persons who want very simple, something really simple. And you know, typically all the wigs are glueless, but for you not to add anything to this one, that's insane. Oh, see what I'm saying? You have to be gentle, because look what happened just now. Alright guys, so I'm just using the hot comb to finesse the hair. I'm gonna shake it and show you guys. And of course, I really wanted loose curls, so I'm gonna brush it out so you guys can see. But this wig is spectacular because I can definitely take it off tonight. I don't have to worry, and the curls will be there. And I like a more loose type of curl, so it is perfect. Now we're gonna comb this out to see how it's gonna look. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I did move the wig to a side part, which is very easy if you want to make it back into a middle part. So very easy, very simple. I layered the wig so it's very flowy. The hair feels amazing. Okay, I think I want to leave it in the side part just to show you guys. All you have to do is just twist the wig, fix it to the side, whichever side you like, because it is a closure. Okay, and once you've turned the wig, you just finesse the hair to your liking and you're good to go. See that? There we go, the curls. The hair feels so good. It's not going anywhere, even though it's glueless. It ain't going nowhere. So UNice, you did your thing with this one. My favorite part is the lace. You cannot beat anything than a good lace. You cannot beat a good lace, okay? So this is it, y'all. Tell me what you think. I will have the link in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. And it's gonna be super nice. Let's look at the back. See that? The hair is amazing. Now remember, you can put your hair up if you want, but I like it. There's layers. I will add a flexi rod to this tonight so that the curls can be really nice tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys, but this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.